Saturday, the 4th of April, 2026, day before Easter. We are trying out the new S26 Ultra with 1 terabyte. This would be the first photos and video. We're recording at ultra high definition, which I think comes out to 4K. This will be a test. This is with the T-Mobile platform service. So it'll be a test to see how long it takes this video to get uploaded and how good it looks. We plan on posting it on both DEVOR and YouTube. It will be a 4K flat video. It will not be an immersive 360, but it will be high resolution. It'll be good detail. Our plan, we've got to be traveling tomorrow for Easter lunch, dinner. We'll be leaving Frank's shop in the morning early, going through Decatur, Atlanta, getting video, Easter video to upload. We plan on getting probably, we plan on coming back over here tomorrow afternoon too. Not planning on staying tomorrow night. So we're planning on getting between 10 and 15 videos, and we're going to be using this phone, this camera heavily, because we want to upload as we go. We'll also be using the Insta360 X5 and the Osmo Action 5. And I see a spot on the windshield right where the camera is. You know it wouldn't. We'll be stopping up here and removing this spot. From what I can tell, it's going to be very good video. We need to get over to the right, and we've got somebody just hanging back there, just hanging back. Let's go ahead and stop it. We're going to turn it here and clean this windshield. Now we have finally figured out how to process about a 5 to 7 minute 8K video at high bit rate, so that it's a very good looking immersive 360 spherical video. A good virtual reality video, good for headsets. We will be doing a lot more of that. 5.7K, 4K flat. We may do some 8K flat. We'll have a lot of different variety. Be using a lot of different cameras setups. So like, share, and subscribe. Follow along, right along with us. We will hopefully get out across country. I've said this every year for 6 years, but hopefully we've got something dependable enough now to drive and do it. All three of the vehicles seeming to be in very good shape. So we should be exploring across country this summer. We'll see. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this one off. I think this is maybe about a 10-minute video. 10-minute 4K flat video. We get back to Frank's shop, we'll see how long it takes to upload. Okay, this will be testing out the T-Mobile 5G network with the Samsung S26 Ultra at ultra high definition. So let me turn it off. This will be a wrap. It didn't give me the 60 frames a second option, only the 30 frames a second at the 0.6. Recording at ultra high definition, which only gave me the option of doing 30 frames a second.